Hi everyone, I want to show you today how to set up a project in AET, a new project. So this is your dashboard. When you get to your student dashboard, you can go to your project experience manager. That's always where you can start. If you're unsure, there's a little calculator, a magnifying glass, and a graph. Click on that. And this is going to show all of your previous projects or both your previous and your current. If you've put some in, if you're a brand new student, it's probably going to be blank. It'll just have this box. So you're going to go up here to add new. And let's say that you are a student who's doing the wooden box project, but that's really ag mechanics, and you probably want to make a category either for woodworking projects or for all ag mechanics projects. I think I'm going to put woodworking. And then the experience. Most of you are going to choose individual. That means you're working on your own. If it's in a class, you're going to put school-based. And if it's service learning, that's something that would feel like community service, but we don't use that very often. And then you have to choose foundational, which is only going to allow you to put in hours. This is usually when you're learning about a project in an SAE at the beginning of your time in FFA. Agriscience is what it sounds like. It's going to be research and experimental, and you might have journals and finances, money going in and out. A job, is it paid or unpaid? You would be entering your paychecks and your hours in your journal. And then is it a business, which sounds very official, but if this is your idea and you're starting your own little business, or if it's something you own, like you personally own the animal, then you're going to mark that one and you'll be putting in your hours and any money coming in and out. The primary experience category, like in this case, I'm going to choose, you can look at all of these, power, structural, and technical systems. That is what AET calls basically ag mechanics projects. But you can see that your project, if it is ag related, will fit into one of these categories. And then the subcategory, this is not, I'm not making power for energy, and it's not repair and maintenance, so it's fabrication. I'm building things. And then where does it fit here? Construction or building? Yes, I think I'll leave that. And you don't have to worry about the management module. And then you would save. And here it is. There's your woodworking project that you just put in. Now you'll see there are a lot of red X's going on because we haven't taken all the steps that we need to. Like this says project has no entries, update your records, and this is where you're going to make a plan and you would do a budget and so on. I have no entries here yet, so it's going to look like a lot of red X's. Now, if you ever need to get rid of a project, please first ask, don't just take it out. Talk to your teacher about it before you do this. But if you ever do need to delete a project, you're going to go over here to these gears. And then this is basically the page we were just on. And on the bottom, it says delete. Click here to start the process of deleting this experience. And then it's going to have this big red box to ask you, are you sure you want to do this? Because if you delete it, we cannot recover any of that information. It's just out of AET. It's out of your book forever. And so you could cancel that. Oops, that's not what I meant to do. If you really do want to delete it, like this is not one of Jack Fletcher's projects, I'm just using his book, then I'm going to go to delete. It's going to ask you one more time, are you sure you want to delete this? You cannot undo this operation? Okay, I really do. And see, now it's out of there. Thank you.